I go to the bathroom?
Yes, you can.
Good luck. Bye, guys.
Bye, walk.
Be right back.
I'll call in.
Alaska contains over 127 million acres of untouched forest land. True or false?
False.
True. As in the answer is true, your answer was wrong. Good try. It is the largest state in the United States, yet with a population of nearly 700,000 people, it has the same total population as Austin, Texas. True. It wasn't a question, but it is true. New Jersey is one of the smallest states and home to a population of nearly 9 million, but almost 1.8 million of it. Stand there, procedure, get under the table! This was just a mock earthquake. In the case of a real emergency, what you want to do is get under the table, like Dane and Kate did. Next, you want to open all doors, so ease of escape. And also, you follow me in here. If you have a stove on, please turn off all heating sources and remove whatever you're cooking from the stove. Then get to safety. Earthquakes are no laughing matter. Okay? Now, is that what you should have done in that situation?
No. See, what I should have done is got under the table. So if you don't get under the table, the ceiling here can fall right in, smash my head, and kill me.
Earthquakes are no laughing matter. Yeah, earthquake safety. And that's 101. Let's use this up.
Earthquakes are made up of P and S waves, where S wave is the sine wave. The equation for a sine wave is shown here. Y equals A sine BX plus C plus D.
A, in a sine wave, represents the amplitude. The amplitude is the distance from the midpoint, in this case, which is the x-axis, from the midpoint to the highest or lowest point in the function. So in this graph, the midpoint, or the amplitude, is 1 from the midpoint each way.
B is the period length of the curve. The period length represents the distance between two repeating points, such as here. This is one full period before the graph would repeat itself again.
Alright, C represents the phase shift. The phase shift is how much one period moves along the horizontal, or x-axis. This graph has no phase shift because the period of the graph starts at point 0 on the x-axis.
D is the vertical shift, or how high or low the midpoint is on your sine wave. This black sign has a vertical shift of 0 because the midpoint is at 0. This green line has a vertical shift of -1 because the midpoint is at -1.